All right, going to be taking a look at stock ticker symbol ZIOP. What's going on here? Currently traded at $6.59. This stock has had a lot of moves here. I mean, look at this back here. That's way back there in 2014 down there, $3, $2. Big ride up all the way up here to what, $15 or so. Multiple times. Look at that pull back, and then you just a big drop off from that area over what? Holy cow, 2 months, 3 months right here, all the way down to looks like the $4, 460, 470 area, somewhere around there. But let's take a look at the what we do as far as looking in the short term. We can go ahead and put a line right here. Add a bit. There we go. And then after that, put one down. Okay, let's go ahead and get started here on the analysis. What do we think is going to happen here? That's going to be the key question. Looks like we can probably put more here just to be sound. I mean, that one's not going to be as major as you're going to get down here. Okay. All right. So let's take a look at what's going on right now in this chart. Okay. So obviously you guys had a little bit of pressure down here with the 20-day, 30-day, and 10-day simple moving average. And then pow, you guys broke out from there. You're going to notice that the volume started picking up. The RSI, nice on a steady roll down there at 50. Okay. Obviously you guys started picking up and broke through the moving averages. Now, for all you guys that do watch our videos, right here would have been my alert signal. This one's going to go ahead and start moving. Why would I say that? Well, let me explain to you why. You guys got above the 10, 20, and 30-day simple moving average on a steady pickup of volume. Now, this candle, you might be like, well, it's kind of spinning candle. Here's the thing, though. That volume was picking up down there, and that's what you got to pay attention to. The RSI didn't really move too much besides 49 to 50. That's also a good sign. That right there would have been my indicator that you guys were going to bounce off that area. There was a minor gap up right here, which was going to be my other indicator. That being said, it opened up lower. And when that opens up lower, you come down and test right there. You opened at the 30-day simple moving average. Right there would have been my buy signal. Because of the fact that now you filled the gap that was over here substantially, and then pow, off of that. So what happened? You guys make your way up to the major first resistance level, which is going to be $6.07, and then you pop up through there all the way to the top one. Okay. Right now you see some sideways trading here. If we want, I can actually put in one more here to kind of give you guys a better top idea. What you're going to be looking for right now, I'm going to tell you how this is going to play out as far as I can see it. The volume has dropped off. Right now, this 659 area is going to need to hold. In my opinion, it might pull back down to the 10-day simple moving average as this starts coming up, okay? And so that would go ahead and meet it right here inside of that 10-day simple moving average, right around the $6.35 mark, and then maybe possibly trade sideways for a day or so off of that and then move back up. I think at that level, you're not going to have too much of a hard time making it back through that resistance level at $6.49. Which is going to be that first level. So if you break 649, you're going to head down to 635. By that time, it's going to be the 10-day simple moving average creeping up under it. After that, you're going to be heading down to the 20-day simple moving average. I think it's going to be pretty steady from there, but it's possible that $6.07 will follow up behind it. If that buying pressure, I'm going to wait for maybe tomorrow or the following day for that buying pressure to continue and watch for a bounce off the 635 area. These numbers will change, obviously, in a dollar stock up over $1. The percentage as far as pennies will change as this 10-day simple moving average creeps up at the 618. So I'm estimating by that time it's going to be around the 635. So I'm going to watch for that. And if Joe can start filling us in about this company and what they do.
Yeah, ZIOPHARM Oncology is a Boston, Massachusetts-based biotechnology company employing novel gene expression, control, and cell technologies to deliver safe, effective, and scalable cell and viral-based therapies for the treatment of cancer and graft versus host disease. The company's immuno-oncology programs in collaboration with Intrexin Corporation, which is traded on the New York Stock Exchange under the ticker symbol XON, and the MD Anderson Cancer Center include chimeric antigen receptor T cell, CAR T, and other adoptive cell-based approaches that use non-viral gene transfer methods for broad scalability. The company is advancing programs in multiple stages of development together with Intrexin Corporation's Rio Switch therapeutic system technology, a switch to turn on and off and precisely modulate gene expression in order to improve therapeutic index. The company's pipeline includes a number of cell-based therapeutics in both clinical and preclinical testing, which are focused on hematologic and solid tumor malignancies. All right, so their latest press release was on January 31st. So ZIOPHARM utilizes non-viral sleeping beauty platform to rapidly produce CAR expressing T cells, advancing point-of-care approach. So they're basically they got the highlighted first patient treated with non-viral sleeping beauty modified CAR T cells produced in 2 weeks. Anticipate phase 1 clinical trial launch in 2017 with administration of sleeping beauty CAR T cells produced within 2 days. Shortened process delivers genetically modified T cells with superior proliferative potential. So it states on January 1st, they announced improved production times utilizing its non-viral platform to engineer chimeric antigen receptor modified T cells in an ongoing phase 1 study of second generation Sleeping Beauty CD19 specific CAR T cells, and they plan to progress the company's point of care approach with administration of CAR T cell therapies in less than 2 days are also underway, helping expand access to innovative T cell therapies. So, I mean, this is the kind of company they're traded on the NASDAQ, and let's see, it's something you'd pretty much want to look into, like continue to obviously do your research on if you're interested in something that has so many different things going on, obviously with all these different relationships with companies and whatnot. So I advise to go and check out the company's filings, stay up to date on the recent news, time and sales, company profile, and if you have any opinions on the company or questions, feel free to post over on the message board on Investors Hangout, where there are tens of thousands of like-minded investors that are basically looking for potential investments or sharing what they know on different companies.
All right, as Joe said, all that information is available over here on investorshangout.com. And of course, you get the time and sales. Most other sites charge you for this information. It's completely free here. You can see the exact time, the sale price, and the volume in the market over here to the right side. Again, for the chart one more time, $6.56. Watch for a bounce off of the 10-day simple moving average, 640 area. Next resistance at 677. 699 might pull back for another day or so, but you're going to be watching for that bounce. Again, ZIOP. If you're following this one, head over to investorshangout.com/live and let us know when to take a look at it again. And if you have any other stocks you would like us to take a look at, you can do so by telling us there. So make sure you subscribe, hit that like button, and share this video with all other ZIOP investors.